Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, and welcome back to the third installment of the GammaEdge Framework, which is the Doctorate module. This is all things SPX 0DT trading related. Keep in mind with this module, it's written under the assumption that you have read the bachelor's and master's module. So if you have not done that, please do that. Keep in mind, I understand that the master's, as an example, hits on individual equities and kind of multi-day to multi-week swing trading. However, the concept tools we teach are fractal in nature, meaning what can be used on one time frame can be used on another time frame, and what can be used on one instrument can be used on another underlying, assuming that it has a liquid and deep options market where these tools are best used. So getting into the 0DT lesson specifically, first off, we're going to be understanding intraday volume analysis. This is kind of a core pillar of our 0DT trading. What we do here is we look to understand where volume is transacting across the various strikes throughout the session. And not only that, but then understanding kind of where the cumulative call and cumulative put volume is transacting throughout the session. And this is best manifested through our vol-m command, which is this right here. And so simply, this just helps us understand the character of the market, where, today we can see an uptrending day where calls are trending higher throughout the session, and the centroids of puts are trending throughout the session. Again, centroid is just a fancy term for the mean, or kind of where the midpoint or the kind of culmination of activity for each 15-minute slice is transacting. You will learn more about that in lesson 1. Promise you that. So again, that is great for understanding the character of the market for that specific day. Lesson 2, we get into SPX, a butterfly spread that is built on understanding the character of the market. So again, a butterfly spread that is kind of built on wanting to pin a specific strike. So if we understand, again, if the market is trending higher or if it's chopping, we can use this vol-m command to kind of understand where the goalpost for the day, where we may be settling for the session, assuming that the character of the speculators stays consistent from that point forward throughout the session. And again, we can then put our strategies on as is appropriate. So then moving on to lesson 3, this is our net stack command. So here what we do is we understand the 4 main Greeks, first order being delta, second order being gamma, charm, and vanna. It's important to understand these and the potential influence they could have on for that specific day and the associated moneyness, which are the sensitivity points to where we could see a character change in price action. Lastly, lesson 4, this is COTMC, COTMP. These are proprietary levels that we have developed at GammaEdge. They are based off the options market specifically. And again, these are good sensitivity points in the complex where we see changes in moneyness, which could lead to monetization events. So again, these are really good levels that you need to be paying attention to as well, that we do a deep dive into this. So again, Doctor model, all things 0DT trading. Give it a look. We would appreciate feedback, what you liked, any clarification you needed, and then again, any subsequent lessons that you think would be helpful to have. So with that, happy learning. Bye.